Imagine you fall into the Drake Passage. The ocean doesn't give you time to think. Within seconds, your body panics. Your breathing breaks apart, and the waves decide whether you stay above the surface or disappear beneath it. This is not just cold water. This is one of the most violent and unforgiving seas on Earth. The Drake Passage lies between Cape Horn and Antarctica, a place where massive waves collide, where powerful currents never slow down, and where mistakes escalate faster than almost anywhere else on the planet. So what actually happens to the human body when someone falls into the Drake Passage? And why is survival here so unlikely, even with modern ships and trained rescue crews? Let's break it down. The first danger doesn't come minutes later. It happens immediately. The moment your body hits the water, it triggers what scientists call cold shock. Water temperatures in the Drake Passage usually range between 28 and 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Or minus 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, the human body reacts before the brain can catch up. Your chest tightens, your breathing becomes rapid and uncontrollable. Your body gasps for air, whether you want it to or not. Even experienced swimmers lose control in seconds. If your face goes under during that first gasp, water can enter your lungs almost instantly. And in the Drake Passage, waves are already crashing from multiple directions. There is no calm surface, no predictable rhythm, no safe moment to time your breath. This is why cold shock is so dangerous here, not because of the cold alone, but because of the chaos. As the waves keep hitting, your body begins to lose strength. Cold water pulls heat from the body up to 25 times faster than air. Your hands are the first to fail. Fingers stiffen, grip strength disappears, arms grow heavy. Swimming becomes less coordinated with every passing second. Many people imagine hypothermia as something slow, something that takes hours. But in violent seas like the Drake Passage, the real danger is functional collapse. You may still be conscious, but no longer in control. And while this is happening, the ocean itself is already working against you. The Drake Passage is driven by the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the strongest continuous ocean current on Earth. It moves more than 200 million cubic meters of water every second. That current doesn't flow smoothly. It collides with wind-driven waves, twists unpredictably, and pulls everything into constant motion. If you fall into this system, you are not staying near the ship. You are being carried away fast, and that creates another deadly problem. Distance. In calm seas, falling overboard often means staying close to the vessel. In the Drake Passage, powerful currents and multidirectional waves can separate you from the ship within moments. Ships crossing this region are already fighting to stay upright and on course. Turning around is slow, visibility is often poor. Waves can completely hide a person from view, even at short distances. This is why man-overboard incidents in extreme seas are considered one of the most dangerous emergencies in maritime operations. There are no official statistics for how many people have fallen overboard in the Drake Passage. There is no central database, no complete record. Many incidents happen far from land, far from shipping lanes, far from media attention, and that absence of numbers tells you something important. This place is remote, and it does not forgive mistakes. Even when a ship reacts immediately, rescue is far from guaranteed. Crew members must spot a moving head in violently moving water from a vessel that is pitching and rolling. Rescue boats are difficult to deploy, Helicopters are often grounded by wind and weather. Every second matters. And the ocean never slows down. Another common misconception is the idea that sea life is the main danger. In reality, there is no need to fear predators here. There are no lurking monsters waiting beneath the surface. The Drake Passage doesn't need them. The cold, the waves, the currents, and the isolation are already more than enough. Survival in this region depends on one thing above all else: immediate rescue, not minutes later, not after drifting, immediate. Without it, the combination of cold shock, uncontrolled breathing, muscle failure, exhaustion, and distance becomes overwhelming. This is why sailors respect the Drake Passage, not because it is always stormy, but because when something goes wrong, it escalates faster than almost anywhere else on Earth. The ocean here has no brakes. So what happens if you fall into the Drake Passage? Your body panics before your mind can react. Your breathing becomes your enemy. The waves deny you control. The cold steals your strength, and distance makes rescue uncertain. This is one of the most hostile environments a human can encounter, and it doesn't care how prepared you are. The Drake Passage doesn't announce danger, it simply delivers it.